as long as the goal is not tremendously big, life has no real purpose. If your goals are small, they are no goals. You will be frustrated if you don't achieve them, and you will be doubly frustrated if you achieve them. Having achieved them, you will find that the next goal is waiting for you. And that is deep frustration. You will feel as if all your investment in reaching up to the first goal has totally gone down the drain. Give yourself a goal that is the final one. Give yourself a goal after which no more goals will be needed. Give yourself the goal after which the goal setter himself would be no more. That goal can only be that of your total annihilation. Let me disappear. Let me surrender myself to something so worthy that it deserves my total sacrifice. Unless your goal is that magnificent, that worthy, that tremendous, you will be just frustrated. Normally, when you have goals, you go to the goal to gain something. You go to the goal to succeed. The mark of a real goal is when you reach there, you won't be gaining something. You will be just losing. And you know that the movement to that goal is a movement in loss. So you are being made an idiot, and yet you move to the goal. That goal has to be so enchanting, so enarmoring. Unless you are completely owned, enamored, you will not allow yourself to be looted and destroyed. The real goal dissolves you along the journey. And you know that you are being dissolved. You know that you are paying a price every step you take. Why will you pay a price? That goal has to be extremely attractive. Do you get this? Know whether or not your goal is worthy by this test alone. Do you expect to gain something upon reaching your goal? Then that goal is worthless. Do you know that you are only losing and losing and losing as you are proceeding towards the goal? Then that goal is worthy. If your goal gives you something, dump that goal. Real success then is your total failure. You have totally failed in preserving yourself. You wanted to preserve yourself and you totally failed. That is real success. Only a real goal can give you real success. False goals will give you a false failure, and worse still, false successes. False successes are worse than false failures. You are not in this world to beef yourself up, accumulate, fatten, and then die an obese man. You are here to burn yourself out, and you must burn yourself doubly fast. The image that I love is that of a candle burning from both ends. Matter turning into light. Sublimation. That is the purpose of life. Burn fast. Turn into light and disappear. Don't carry a lot of wax, a lot of fat, a lot of material. Burn it fast, burn it fast. You were born with a lot. Die empty.